Hey guys, fantastic steel chrome glass TV multimedia stand. Let's go through it. So it's in perfect shape and in awesome design condition. We have two layers, well, three levels of storage for your stuff. When I say stuff, like your big screen TV, your Xbox, your Blu-ray player, your receiver, all that kind of stuff. Nice thick tempered top there. And a second layer as well, which you can easily adjust. See, there's three levels of adjustment, and that extends to the back. Really cool chrome details, and just a nice unit overall. Nice brushed nickel holders on the top. This unit is 50 inches from side to side. That's as you see it from here to here. It's 22 inches deep at its widest point, because as you can see, it's sort of a half moon, so it's 22 inches from front to the back at the widest point, and it's also 22 inches high, so it's pretty cool. Now, if you had to buy this new, you'd spend a few $100s, and now you don't have to. It's in great shape, and if you've got a 50-inch TV, even if you have a bigger TV, the nice thing about it is that it's again, a fully steel structure. There's no MDF, and so that, basically adds durability and strength. Wire caddies in the back. You just basically put your components there, run the wires through there, and that's continued through the back there, so you run it to your speakers or to the TV. You know the drill. Chances are whoever's looking at this ad right now is a man. More dudes are into the setting up of the home theater, and that's what we're after here. So you really have a choice. Go down to Best Buy or Sears or The Brick and spend, $300-400 to get something like this, or buy mine. I say the choice is simple, but I'll leave it up to you. Anyway, guys, I've taken some pictures. Make sure you study them. They're going to be higher quality in this video. And for all those guys who send, an email that just says 50, don't bother. I have no problem holding on to this until a buyer shows up who will appreciate the value of it and want to have it at the right price, which is what I'm selling it for. So send me a text, email, or phone call, guys, and we'll do that. Thanks.